Hi, I'm Addison from Chewy. Ready to make snack time adventurous? Try American Journey grain-free soft and chewy dog treats. American Journey soft and chewy dog treats feature real animal protein as the first ingredient. For big flavor and tender bites, treat your pup with American Journey training bits. With only 4 calories per treat, these bite-sized dog treats are packed with protein and flavor. For an everyday treat, pack American Journey Trail Bites. These tender, chewy snacks are filled with flavorful protein. They're perfectly sized no matter what size your dog is. Want a treat fit for any adventure? American Journey snacking sticks are protein-rich and perfect as anytime snacks, and can be broken up into smaller, rewarding treats. With a variety of proteins, your pal won't be able to resist their new favorite treat. American Journey dog treats are made without corn, wheat, or soy. So treat your pal on every adventure with American Journey soft and chewy dog treats. I'm Addison, thanks for watching. Bye! These bite-sized dog treats are packed with protein and flavor.